Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is video number 2 in the Pantrydemic recipes series. Like I explained in the last video, these are very quick, less edited videos to kind of teach you how to cook with store cupboard ingredients, and also recipes where you can swap stuff out. I like this one, quick 1 to 2 minute videos, just to kind of make your life a bit easier around the kitchen, make food go further, make it last longer, etc, etc. And just like I said in the last video, remember to follow your respective government's advice. And for us, that means stay at home, only go out for essentials, and if you have to work, keep washing your hands, and if you do have to go out, keep 2 meters apart where possible. So let's crack on with it then. I'm going to show you a really simple trick on how to make fresh herbs last longer. Now this trick will work with any kind of leafy herb like parsley, coriander, tarragon, basil even, anything that's leafy. So what we need to do first is to go through the herbs and just kind of get rid of any manky bits. You know, if you've got any kind of rotten leaves and stuff like that, just get rid of those. So what I'm going to do now is get this washed. Make sure you wash your herbs. Even if they've come in a packet, get them washed. And once you've kind of gone through it, just take a small bunch at a time. Taking a really sharp knife, you just want to chop the herbs really nice and finely. Okay, almost minced. And you can do this in a food processor as well if you want. And what I've got here is some bog standard ice cube trays, and what I've done is I've just labelled them up, C for coriander and a P for parsley. I don't know if you can see that, but that's just so I know which is which in the freezer. And what I'm going to do is take the spoon and just pack into the ice cube tray. And you want to get it in there quite tightly, so just really kind of press them down. And once you've packed the herbs into the ice cube trays like so, I've got a jug of cold water here, and I'm just going to gently start filling each one. Just sort of give it a second for the water to sink through and just kind of top it off. And as you can see there, once you've topped up the herbs with the water, they're now ready for the freezer. And you want to let them sit in the freezer for a good hour or two till they're nice and frozen solid. And you can either store them like that as is, you can stack them up once they're frozen, but what you can also do is take them out of the ice cube trays and then put them into ziploc freezer bags, label them up and store them that way. So if you want a nice hit of fresh herbs in your dinner as it's cooking, your curries, your stews, your soups, just chuck in 1 or 2 of those cubes and you're golden. So there we have it, a really simple kitchen hack for you. Thanks for watching, share this video far and wide, but remember, stay home, stay safe, look out for each other, and I'll see your gorgeous faces in the next video, and bye for now.